It's Meister time. Here's this week's video from the Mountain Meister Race Series at Cranmore Mountain Resort, presented by the Valley Original, sharing a commitment to their community and a passion for excellence in food and service, and by Memorial Hospital Orthopedics and Sports Medicine, close to home and here for you.
This is what, week 4?
Week 4.
Kevin Hamlin, week 4. Tell us all about it.
Week 4. It's a beautiful Bluebird day. You know, conditions are great. We've gotten some new snow. I think we got a couple inches yesterday, which is awesome. So making the skiing even better. So week 4, this is, last week was the last week to sign up. So everybody that's racing is now here and registered. Next week, we will start getting into organizing all the teams and whatnot so we can start releasing team standings so we can see where we're sitting. And next week, we will also lock all the divisions. So you will be stuck in whatever division you're in, and we'll start seeing point-wise where you guys are all standing. So yeah, it's going to be a good week.
Any tips from today on the course?
No, today, you know, I set it a little turnier up top. The snow conditions have been perfect, so I wanted to get away from that, you know, just straight up tuck run down. So gave it a little turn up top and straightened it out down bottom. So it should be fun for everybody today.
And the big question, do you as the race director ever get to enjoy the après ski after the race?
Unfortunately, by the time I'm done at nights, it's about time just to go home and go to sleep. So when they do the kickoff and the mid-season party, I usually get down there in enough time to partake in some après, but during the regular week, not so much, unfortunately.
All right. Have a good week.
All right, thank you.